Hey guys, boy do I have a behind the scenes video for you today. I'm here in Minnesota, in Wyoming, Minnesota, near Polaris Industries test proving grounds. And they have a full event right here for the entire 2021 lineup. This is a very special event. We're very fortunate to be here, and that's because of you, because you guys watch us on TFLoffroad channel. That's why we can be actually here. And there are four different lineups of four brands of vehicles that they're showing here, and we're gonna have a video for each one of them coming up for you in the coming days on the channel. So come along, I'll show you the event and then show you kind of what's going on, and then you'll see, actually get a taste for it. So first thing is the Sportsman lineup. This is their ATV, quad, whatever you want to call it, but it's been updated. Let me show you just the coolest machine here, which is the orange one. So this is the 1000, and you probably have seen this before, but they have a lot of updates for the base machines, because the 450 over there, come along, and the 570, they haven't been updated in a while. Over here on this side, you can see the Ranger lineup. These are the utility machines. There's also the General, the white machine over there, and a bunch of other General machines, which are a little bit more extreme, but also has a lot of utility built into them. But let's look at the Sportsman to begin with. So this is kind of where it starts for Polaris, and around $6,400 to start. This is the machine. So of course it has a few accessories, and check this out. It has new kind of updated grill guards, updated face for the base machine, updated internals to some extent. These come in electrically assisted EPS, power steering. They also moved the battery. They created these updated racks systems, and it's all tied into the frame, as you can see down here. So really cool stuff. Of course, all-wheel drive capability, four-wheel drive capability. Some of these have larger tires. So this is kind of where it starts. Then over here, the Ranger has been updated too, and a couple of details. They have new lights, LEDs, very powerful new headlights, larger tires. Some of these get 29s. Lots of accessories, including winches. They also have updated the front end. If you look inside here, they've beefed up the front end on these machines quite a lot. You can see a lot of these components are bigger than before. They're much stronger. Updated the clutches, so the belts last longer for the transmission. Transmission, of course, is in the back. Lots of accessories too, because we have, windshields, all kinds of stuff that we'll show you in a more detailed video. Let's keep moving. The General is updated also, and there's the special Pursuit Edition. This is for hunters. I'm not a huge hunter myself, but as you can see, if you are, this is one of the machines you probably need to check out, because not only do you have all the accents and details, but these machines now have equipment for, to be comfortable, very capable, but also, have the capability for hunting. You can see this rifle storage box in here, double two-tier storage system in the back. Lots of payload capability as well on these machines, and the whole new kind of very, very rugged but also cool looking setup. You can see these A-arms with lots of clearance. You've got these shocks, of course, remote reservoirs, adjustable, larger tires, the rest of it. So the General lineup is still alive and well. They started around $16,000. Of course, the Rangers can start a little bit higher than that. Just depends on what you want. The Ranger is more of a utility machine. The General, of course, is a little bit more for play and some utility as well. But of course, there's also extreme Let me show you the extreme stuff. What do you think? This is the 2021 Pro XP Razor, and it's showing off all of the latest accessories, including the enclosures, soft side glass, plexiglass up front. There's lots of different windshield options. You can kind of see how this works. There's also glass. There's also ones with wipers, larger tires. They have updated a couple of things, especially in the back. They updated the way the guards for the shocks. So you can kind of see, I mean, there's a couple small updates, small touches, still 181 horsepower, still a very capable, pretty extreme machine. But also for 2021, lots of new accessories, including storage boxes, lower and upper, very easy to use. And Polaris people are saying that for 2021, the Razor lineup, it's been kind of relatively small, but also customer kind of driven improvements, just small items that they have been working on to make them even better. But look, take a wide view of this. Yeah, come around the front really fast. Check this out. And that's a two-seater. They also have four-seaters. The Turbo S's or the XP machines, also small updates, also has to do with style, and small improvements throughout. Of course, they also have the Turbo S's still, which is 168 horsepower. There's another General, which is kind of a beginner General. Let me show you. This is a Sport. So if you do want that machine that's a little bit more affordable, you can get something like this if you don't want to go full Razor. But still lots of different capabilities and accessories like the windshields. The base General has 600-pound payload, which is very decent actually for a small vehicle. That's a 570 Sportsman with a big giant rack in the back. See, pretty useful. And they've improved their payload and towing numbers too, so you can actually do some work with all of these machines. Of course, the Razors are more for play and fun, but these machines come with hitches and a lot of different accessories. So this is just a quick, brief overview. If you can see, there are several tents based on Rangers, Razors, Generals, and there's also potential news that they're not telling us about yet. So stay tuned. Actually, there's something coming in October as well. So we'll be doing more videos. Case and I, who's behind the camera, will bring you all the details, all the updates, very detailed, but also show you how they drive. So stay tuned to TFLoffroad. Thank you very much. Rock on.